Hello, my first name is Nguyễn, and the reason why I joined this course on Coursera, I want to get I want to get a degree so that I can be a better teacher to my students. I want to learn the way that international person teach English. Thank you, Coursera, for this interesting course. Um, the first exercise talking about the similar between language and case. Language is cake. I think why we said language is cake, because when you want to make a cake, you need to prepare all the ingredients. Maybe you put it in some different things like the flour, the eggs, yolk, also some of the machines that can have you make a delicious cake. You need to have the ingredient, the machines. Yeah. And like language, if you want a person understand what you're talking about, you need to have lots of word like the ingredient in the cake. And you if you want to make a cake, you need the machine to mix all the ingredients, to connect them. But when you use a language, you need to use grammar to connect all the words to make a sentence. So that's some things that I think the cake is the same with the language. So the metaphor for learning English is that you need to know the vocabulary, every single word, and also you need to learn grammar to make the word become a meaningful sentence. And um, you know that's for all about the things that I understand between learning language is like language is a cake. And I think that you may remember our teacher this in his video. On the first time he used his hand to devise the cake. So if he give you this part of the cake that he divided by his hands, so you think that's the good cake for you? Or do you agree to eat that piece of cake? I think that maybe we might stop in some seconds before agree eating that part of piece of cake. But the second time he used something to cut the cake, you look at us, and the way how we eat the cake is also important, like the process we doing that. Maybe we have a really delicious cake, looks so attractive, but if we don't know how to eat it, or we eat it in the wrong way, it's not a good cake at all anymore. Yes, so that's also important, I think. I hope that you can get what I wanna mean. Thanks for watching.